Hey, it's Albert here with ClickFunnels Support. So I did come in here. I'm checking out your funnel here. I did notice what you were saying that the button is not doing anything here. It's basically stuck here. So I did come in here and I did double check your settings. So it looks like you have it set correctly. So what I'd recommend to do right off the bat, whenever you have issues like this, I would just automatically go ahead and delete the button. Okay, just right off the bat, just go ahead and delete it completely. And then just go ahead and come up here, go to manage or add element, and then you can just scroll down here, go back to your button here, and then you can just drop this right in here somewhere. All right. Now I'm not going to save this, so this won't change anything. All right, this will go right back to default the way you had it right before I added this. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that you can grab that button, go ahead and grab it, and come in here and then just go ahead and set your action. All right, here, come up and save, and then go ahead and change your text there, obviously, and then reset it. Okay, that way you can delete this one, drop in a new one. That should adjust it, jar it enough to where it should work. All right, so if you have any more issues with that, go and reach out, and then we can further investigate it. Okay. All right, thanks.